Welcome to Learn Commerce PU online classes. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Hello everyone, welcome to second PUC statistics online classes. Okay, now let us see problems based on Poisson distribution. That is second problem, that is on an average the number of defective items in a box is 4. If there are 100 such boxes, in how many of them would you expect? First sub question, no defective item. Second sub question, one defective item. Third sub question, at least 2 defective items. Okay, now see, in our problem there are 2 observations are given. One is 4, another one is 100. Here 4 is defective items, so that is lambda. We can write it as lambda is equal to 4. Here one more observation is given, that is 100. So we see here random sample is not given, so that here 100 is number of boxes. So we can write number of boxes, that is some population size, that is capital letter N is equal to 100. And this problem is based on defective item. So here X is, that is value of variable is number of defective items in a box. Defective items in a box. And here lambda is given, so this is Poisson distribution. So we can write X follows Poisson distribution with parameter lambda. Here lambda is 4, so this is X follows Poisson with parameter lambda, that is 4. Okay, next I will write probability mass function, that is PMF. P of X is equal to e to the power minus lambda, lambda to the power x divided by x factorial. Here x, we don't know the range of probability distribution, so we can write here x is 0, 1, 2, so on. And we know the value of lambda, that is 4. So in the place lambda, I will substitute the value 4. That is P of x is equal to e to the power minus 4, 4 to the power x divided by x factorial. Then x range 0, 1, 2, so on. Okay, next let's see the first sub question, that is probability of no defective items. For example, if it is probability of one defective item, we can write P of 1. And if it is probability of 2 defective item, we can write P of 2. See here, this is no defective item, so we can write P of 0. This is equal to P of 0. See, here in the place x, here 0 is there, so instead of x we have to write 0. So this is equal to e to the power minus 4, 4 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial. Okay, now this is equal to, we can write e to the power minus 4 is 0.0183 into 4 to the power 0 is 1 divided by 1 factorial is 1. So this is equal to 0.0183 into 1, that is 0.0183 divided by 1, that is 0.0183. Okay, see, in our problem one more observation is there, that is capital letter N. So next we need to calculate expected number of boxes having no defective items. Okay, expected number of boxes having no defective items, that is capital letter N into, then here probability of no defective items we can write, that is P of 0. So here we can write N into P of 0. Here N, that we know the value, that is 100, and P of 0, that we got the value, that is 0.0183. Okay, next 100 into 0.0183 is 100 into 0.0183 is 1.83. Okay, this is approximately 2. Okay, next let's see the second sub question, that is probability of one defective item. Okay, that we can write P of 1. See here in the place x, 1 is there. So instead of x we have to substitute 1. This is equal to e to the power minus 4, 4 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, now this is equal to e to the power minus 4, that is 0.0183 into 4 to the power 1 is 4 divided by 1 factorial is 1. Okay, this is equal to 0.0183 into 4, that is 0.0732 divided by 1. So 0.0732 divided by 1 is 0.0732. Okay, next we have to calculate the expected number of boxes having one defective item. So that we use the formula capital N into, then here probability of one defective item, that is P of 1. Okay, here N is 100 into P of 1 is 0.0732. So 100 into 0.0732 is 7.3. 7.32. Okay, this is approximately 7. Okay, next last sub question, that is probability of at least 2 defective items, that we can write this is equal to P of x greater than or equal to 2. This is, we can write this is equal to 1 minus P of 0. Okay, before that we can write this as P of x greater than or equal to is equal to 1 minus P of x less than 2. Okay, this is equal to, we can write 1 minus P of less than 2. See, in a range 0, 1, 2 is there, that is here probability is x less than 2. So here less than 2 values are 0 and 1. So we can write it as P of x less than 2 is P of 0 plus P of 1. Okay, this is equal to here 1 minus P of 0, that we can write e to the power minus lambda to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus P of 1, that we can write e to the power minus lambda to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus e to the power minus lambda into, means lambda is 4, that is e to the power minus 4 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e to the power minus 4 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus, we know that e to the power minus 4 into 4 to the power 0 divided by 0 factorial is, that we already found the value, that is 0.0183 plus here it is e to the power minus 4 to the power 1 divided by 1 factorial is, that is 0.0732. Okay, I will calculate sum of these two values, that is 0.0183 plus 0.0732, that is 1 minus 0.0915. Okay, this is equal to 1 minus 0.0915 is 0.9085. Okay, next we need to calculate expected number of boxes having at least 2 defective items. This is equal to, the formula is n into, here probability of at least defective items, that we can write P of x greater than or equal to 2. Okay, now I will substitute the values. Here n is 100, then P of x less than or 2 is 0.9085. Okay, this is equal to 100 into 0.9085 is 90.85. Okay, we can write approximately this as 91. So here expected number of boxes having at least 2 defective items is 91. Yes, thank you for watching this video.